In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a discount code and welcome emails with Klaviyo. We'll build a simple welcome flow that automatically sends new subscribers an email featuring your discount. Start by opening your Klaviyo account and heading to the flows area. Create a new flow and choose the build your own option. Give your flow a clear, searchable name and add tags so your team can find it later. When you're ready, create the flow. Next, set the triggers so the right people enter the flow. Open the Triggers menu, choose Added to Segment, and select the segment that represents your new subscribers. This is typically the audience that opts in through your sign-up form. Save, then confirm and save again to lock in the trigger. Now add the email that will deliver your discount. From the Actions panel, drag an email onto the canvas and place it as the first step after the trigger. Click into the email to configure it. Add an internal email name that describes what it does, then write a compelling subject line and preview text that tease the offer clearly. Make sure the subject and preview work together so the value is obvious before someone even opens. Choose a template next. Select a template from your library that fits your brand and is easy to scan on mobile. Apply the template, then open the editor to customize it. This is where you showcase your discount code. Place the code high in the email so it's immediately visible and clearly state any key details like how to redeem or when it expires. If you use unique, single-use coupons from your e-commerce platform, insert the appropriate dynamic field or coupon block supported by your setup. If you use a general code, add it as styled text and link your main call to action button to your store. Keep the copy warm and welcoming, and add a brief brand intro so new subscribers know what to expect next. When your edits look good, exit the editor to return to the flow. Review the flow content summary to confirm the subject, preview text and template are correct, then click Done. Save your changes to the flow. Finally, use review and turn on to activate the flow and save once more to confirm everything is live. That's it. You've created a welcome flow that automatically sends your discount to new subscribers. Keep an eye on performance later and iterate your subject line, placement of the code, and design for better conversions.